In this video I'm fitting some aluminium hubs and steering knuckles on my FTX Zorro. The standard ones are plastic and they break far too easily. So that's the plastic rear hub out. So these come with little washers or spacers, and these basically take up the gap between the hub and the arm. Looks like this one's going to need quite a few spacers. Okay, so with the plastic hub, there was 4 little spacer washers to take up the gap, and with the aluminium one fitted, I've used 3 spacers. So that one's in. I've just got to put it back together. Little drive shafts. Just like to bend a bit thin, really. Make sure the bearings are okay. Okay, so the standard bearings have seen better days. They're not sealed bearings, so I'm going to change them out. Some sealed bearings as an upgrade. Now I'm going to attach the rear camber link. Now, as the new part is metal, when threading into metal you should use Loctite to stop your screw from working its way loose. So it's kind of hard to film without getting your hands all in the way of what you're actually trying to film. That's one side done. Okay, so moving on to the front. Now, if you haven't done these before, there's a pin going across, and to get the pin out, there's a little screw to stop the pin from sliding out. So you take the screw out first, and then from the other side, I'm using a 1.5mm bit here, but you can press the pin through, you see, You can see it's sticking out now. So press that pin out, you can grab it with some pliers and it just slides out. And then with that out, you can remove the hub. So there's our plastic steering knuckle and hub and the drive shaft. I tend to find that the bearings get stuck as you try and pass them over where the hex pin goes. I think when you torque the wheels up, it deforms the metal there, and then the bearing doesn't want to pass over easily. So sometimes can take a little bit of force, but it does come off. Again, I'm going to change the bearings while we're here to sealed bearings. So here's my aluminium steering knuckle and hub. So we just slide a pin back in. Okay, so pins back in, and the tiny little screw that retains the pin. Get our drive shaft back in. Again, we're screwing into metal, so we want to be using Loctite on our screws. And a little drive pin. A bit of Loctite on the threads. And that's it, guys, that's the front and the back done. I've got to do the other side, but I won't make you watch that. So yeah, cheers for watching. They look pretty smart anyway, hopefully they're a little bit stronger. Cheers, guys.